Welcome back to the 3uTools official channel. Today, we're going to show you how to check if your iPhone is truly new using 3uTools. Maybe you just bought a device from a third-party seller or an online store. It looks brand new, but is it really? In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide using 3uTools to find out if your iPhone has been used, refurbished, or repaired. By the end, you'll know exactly what to look for in your device's report. Connect your iPhone to your Windows or Mac with a cable. Make sure you have 3uTools installed and running. Once your device is detected, you'll see a summary page showing your iPhone's model, iOS version, and serial number. Next, on the left sidebar of 3uTools, find and click Verification Report. This feature helps you verify if your iPhone is original and reveals activation, repair, and battery information. Now let's walk through a real verification report generated by 3uTools. This report compares the factory data and the current read values of your device and highlights any mismatches. Here are the most important items you should pay attention to. Battery serial number. Here it says possibly changed. This means the battery might have been replaced. Also notice the battery life is only 70%, and it's been charged 977 times, so replacement is advised. Front camera serial number. This is also marked as possibly changed, which suggests that the phone has likely been repaired. Verification note at the bottom. It clearly says the device was disassembled. That's a strong indication that the phone is not brand new. Activated status. This phone shows activated, yes, meaning it has been used before. So even if it looks new, it is not a brand new, unused device. Testing score. This one scores 83 out of 100, which is decent, but not perfect. It further confirms that while the phone is functional, it's not in original condition. Other fields like device model, color, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Mac, and Touch ID all show normal, meaning they match the factory data, but the red flags above are enough to prove the phone has a history. So if the iPhone shows signs of prior activation or repairs but was sold as new, consider requesting a refund or replacement. Using 3uTools for verification can save you from unexpected surprises and give you peace of mind. That's all for today's tutorial on how to verify your iPhone with 3uTools. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. We're here to help. Thanks for watching the 3uTools official channel.